Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 7 best iPhone 14 Pro Max screen protectors 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Apple has officially announced the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The displays on these devices are usually among the best, but with Dynamic Island and always-on features, this year's model is even better. If you intend to retain the phone for a long time, this also means that you might wish to secure your investment. Here are some of the best screen protectors available for the iPhone 14 Pro Max if that is the case. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 14 Pro Max screen protectors, so let's get started. 7:am. Film 1. Touch. Within 60 seconds, the installation is flawless. A plastic frame with the screen protector placed inside of it fits your phone flawlessly. Swipe down the middle of the frame after setting it up on your phone. Watch our installation video to learn how simple it is to install and use our 0.33mm ultra-thin screen protector, which is compatible with Face ID and Dynamic Island and keeps the original response sensitivity. An oleophobic coating is applied to the anti-fingerprint film tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max 6.7 inches in order to prevent fingerprints and to deliver ultra-clear high definition with 99.9% transparency. 6:Power Theory Premium. This 6 incredibly thin layers of shock-resistant glass make up the iPhone 14 Pro Max screen protector, which shields your phone from impacts, shocks, scratches, and debris without degrading the HD display or touchscreen sensitivity. You can be sure that your installation will be quick, accurate, and bubble-free thanks to the creative easy install tray. Simply align the sticker with your iPhone and push firmly after removing it from the preloaded applicator tray. With only a few millimeters around the edge to assure compatibility with all phone cases, their iPhone 14 screen protector glass completely encases your phone's display. 5:TORRAS Diamond Shield. It avoids scratching your genuine screen. Your phone's screen is protected from scratches by tempered glass that is more durable than 9H hardness. Your screen stays clean and clear because of the top acephobic layer's ability to virtually invisible fingerprints and smudges. Protect your case to the level you desire with case-friendly features. You can customize your look with an edge-to-edge design compatible with most cases. The slender black edge organically disappears into the screen, making it both touch and sight invisible. The notch is covered with edge-to-edge shielding, which supports Face ID without compromising touchscreen sensitivity or clarity. Every day, we do virtually everything on our phones. Fingerprints and smudges are simple to accumulate, which also causes eye strain. 4:CaseCo Film. After going through several stages, CaseCo tempered glass uses aviation-grade shatterproof materials and 3x edge strengthening reinforcement, which improves shockproof protection by 300% compared to other regular films. Additionally, it has successfully completed 4,500 plus drop tests without breaking even after 8-foot drops, negating the need for frequent replacement. CaseCo tempered glass has complete coverage from edge to edge like an invisible shield, leaving no gaps for dust, thanks to micron laser cutting technology. Auto alignment frame and bubble-free coating ensure 100% flawless installation. If there is any bubble, kindly tell us, a solution to your satisfaction will be given. 3. ESR Ultra Tough. Being strong fans of ESR, we know that your new smartphone will look great with this protector. It comes with an alignment frame and in a box of 3 for ideal application. Because it provides edge-to-edge protection, you can be sure that your display won't get scratched. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is the only model for which the tempered glass screen protector is intended. Other models will not fit. Every pixel of your iPhone screen is protected by the clear glass without sacrificing clarity, making for an excellent display and full Face ID functionality. It is also case-friendly. It ensures a very quick touch sensitivity when browsing and playing games while keeping the rounded edges of your phone screen, giving the impression that the real screen is actually on at all times. 2:SPIGEN Tempered Glass. SPIGEN produces some of the best accessories available only based on feel. The Glass TR series has been around for a while and has proven to be durable, providing best-in-class protection with virtually no sacrifice to the display it is applied to. It designed specifically to protect the Dynamic Island and built to last. The hardness of tempered glass is 9H. It comes with a revolutionary auto alignment installation kit for simple installation. The original screen brightness is preserved because to the high clarity. SPIGEN iPhone 14 Pro Max cases are all compatible with this case. 1. Ferrolinso HD tempered glass. The glass used by Ferrolinso is the same glass that is frequently seen in military and government facilities. It combines high-quality components with German engineering techniques to produce glass that is incredibly strong. Its hardness is significantly higher than that of other products on the market. Your screen is tested to withstand drops of up to 10 feet to hard surfaces. What an amazing accomplishment! With no negative side effects, edge-to-edge invisible protection is provided for the full iPhone 14 Plus and iPhone 14 Pro Max screen by using heat treatment technology to increase the toughness of each edge. Keeps your treasured phone's vintage appearance while offering complete and long-lasting protection. With every swipe, your hands get a silky feeling, thanks to the hydrophobic coating on top, which successfully minimizes fingerprints and smudges by 98%. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 14 Pro Max screen protectors. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.